What's up, guys? It's Joel with the Little Racing Channel. We're out here with Known Associates. We're doing donations for the hurricane victims of North Carolina, South Carolina. We need donations, people. We need donations. You want to donate? We are up at Players 1. Player 1 up. Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. We're taking donations up until 10 o'clock tonight. We're doing it all the way up until Monday morning. Monday, the trailers take off. If you want to come out and donate, like I said, we're up at Player 1 up, Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. We need water, clothes, food, dog food, cat food, everything. We need it all. You got something, even used clothes, just label them, please. We got a 36-foot trailer, semi-loaded. We already took one up. We need another one. If you want to order some stuff, we'll give you a closest Walmart so we can pick it up. If you're out of state, just let us know, please. Like I said, donations for the hurricane victims. Let's get the community going. Let's show the support that we need to show. Let's show America who we are and what we're for. We don't need no government assistance.